Oh, that's a dead. I can't even go right here. All right, guys, we're gonna have to go under. All right, guys, what is up? E-bike district here, and we got another e-bike here. This is the ASKMY e-bike. You guys probably saw this on TikTok or Amazon, stuff like that. So what I'm gonna be doing today is reviewing this, setting it up, and showing you guys if it's actually worth it. All right, let's get to opening it up. Right off the bat, you can see how nicely packaged this is. They do give you the pedals, but I went ahead and bought a mod for the bike already. So this is how the e-bike looks set up right here. So 35 miles is the top speed on this bike, guys. And you got this super big headlight. So 48 volt, 15 amp an hour battery. And yeah, this is a very nice battery, guys. Show you guys real quick. These are the pedals that I got for them. So just imagine these on that. Pretty sick. It's not that hard to set these bikes up. All it takes is some patience. That's it. All right, so now we're gonna be doing the tire. You just line up the disc brake, the brake, and then slide it in. First one you're gonna want to place in is gonna be this one. This is always the hardest part for me, so I really like showing in depth how to do this. Place that one, then the regular washer, and then the nut. And you're just gonna do the same thing with the other side, and then just tighten it with the wrench that they give you. What I'm gonna do is actually hold one right here and then twist the other side. It's off. How are we gonna mount it? That's the question. Is it gonna be like that? Yes, it's definitely gonna be like that. Alright, so just pop it up. Let's get a quick little look at it. It's looking pretty nice. Look at all that trash over there, oh my god. Alright guys, that's how it's looking so far with the pedals. Fender part is very simple. Just take out this bolt that was already in here. Put these two between. Pretty much tie in it, that's just that simple. Alright, now we're just wrapping up the headlights. Alright, and the last step is this LED screen right here. So you just gotta take these off with a screwdriver, which they haven't actually give you a screwdriver. Pretty much just tighten it where you want it. Alright, so we just plug it up right here. Boom. Well, first, let's do this real quick. We have to do it. God, that's awful, bro. Alright, let's look at the battery. Alright, here's the battery, fully charged. There we go. Locked and loaded. So you will be getting the keys for the bike and for the battery. The nice LCD display. You're getting the headlights on and off. Blinkers, left and right. The horn. You're also getting this right here, which picks up the speed. The Shimano 7-speed gear system. You're getting the nice suspension right here, as well as front shocks. And you see the Shimano gear system back here. It's a nice little quality bike chain, and the 2 tires. Wow, I'm gonna clean this all up and then we'll go riding. Got a lot of torque. Oh, we're going off-road. Let's see how it does down here. Let's see if it goes uphill. What is this, a swamp?
Swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles.
All right, let's see if it goes uphill. Oh yeah, this goes uphill good. That's a steep hill too, guys. I'm impressed. That's a steep ass hill too. If you guys look at that hill, like it went up like nothing, you know what I mean? That's a pretty deep hill. Wow. 37 miles per hour. Oh, that's a dead. I can't even go right here. All right, guys, we're gonna have to go under. All right. Oh yeah, you can feel the difference. Oh yeah, baby, that's good right there. SC bike is worth it for sure. So I just got done driving it, and it's safe to say for the price, I don't really think you're gonna find anything better. You know, I hit 38 miles top speed on this. It does say the top speed is 35 miles per hour. So yeah, pretty sweet e-bike, guys.